Bullish Nexo cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $3.19 and $6.02 by 2030. Market experts accept Nexo could reach $2.48 by 2025. Bearish Nexo market cost expectation for 2023 is 56 cents. Nexo presentation. Researchers learned one thing on account of the rise of digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Blockchain innovation won't disappear. With this confirmation in their algorithmic ability, researchers and cryptographers worked enthusiastically to foster an exceptional digital money that could hold greatest incentive at a promising future cost and empower getting cash and making installments in replaceable neighborhood cash. We should take a gander at the coin rundown prior to getting into a complete value expectation of the Nexo costs. What is Nexo? Clients might help credits got by digital currencies through Nexo, a blockchain-based loaning stage. The way that these credits don't need a FICO rating makes them a beneficial option for clients. The Nexo stage permits clients to store upheld crypto resources and get a prompt advance in excess of 45 unique government-issued types of money. Credit lines are quickly put aside open after an installment, and there is compelling reason need to do a credit check. Clients approach their credit line consistently utilizing the Nexo card and may pull out cash directly to their ledgers. Nexo central examination. Notwithstanding being based on blockchain calculations, Nexo is very powerless and, as other digital currencies, is intensely dependent on value development, request, and supply. The commitments Nexo offers for the future are a subject of discussion among specialists. Nexo's cost moved from 55 cents to 98 cents during April and May 2018, a critical increment that recommended a huge degree of early financial backer premium, as per verifiable information, following the organization made its market debut in 2018. Afterward, the cost of Nexo had ascended past normal exchanging cost of 73 cents, yet it has since had a little pullback and has come back testing the typical cost of 50 cents level. Suddenly, verifiable information uncovers that during the coronavirus stage, while any remaining monetary standards showed terrible showing, the Nexo cost showed dependability, acquiring financial backer certainty, and exhibiting a critical expansion in energy. Starting from the beginning of 2022, there has been no sign of a Nexo cost drop. As per Nexo's own measurements, it oversees resources worth $80 billion and has multiple million endorsers overall spread across in excess of 200 nations. A sum of more than 40 critical digital currencies or support the cost of Nexo has a splendid viewpoint for the future since it depends on specialized investigation. Given its steady unwavering quality, the Nexo cost forecast appears to be very hopeful proceeding. Considering our Nexo cost forecast, specialized examination, and market refreshes, it is conceivable that many tasks will be finished toward the finish of 2022, prompting the most exorbitant cost expectation, making Nexo a more productive speculation than government-issued currency in the digital money market. The Nexo value forecast is supposed to rise quickly for a really long time. As per all suitable cost expectation information, Nexo is right now worth 70 cents USD. Nexo has moved 3.34% as of now with an exchanging volume of $3,577,479. Nexo is right now positioned 97 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $390,400,787 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination uniqueness from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Nexo to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Nexo market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Nexo Value Expectation 2023. Nexo, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The Nexo cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $1.06. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 99 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. Nexo is supposed to have a base worth of 85 cents. Nexo Value Expectation 2024 of every 2024. Nexo cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Nexo will before long outperform $1.77. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the Nexo's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Nexo will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.42 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.56. Nexo value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $2.48 and Nexo might benefit in the event that the market encounters a decay. The objective may not be met. Nexo is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.27 and a low of $2.13 in 2025. Nexo value expectation 2026. Assuming that Nexo effectively helps market opinion among digital money aficionados, the Nexo coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Nexo will be green in 2026. The Nexo is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $3.19, with a base cost of $2.83 and a typical cost of $2.98. Nexo value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Nexo cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $3.68 by 2027, with a base cost of $3.54 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Nexo has a most extreme value worth of $3.90. Nexo value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $4.39. On the off chance that Nexo figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $4.60. Neglecting to assemble the help Nexo needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $4.25. Nexo value forecast 2029. While Nexo is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $4.96 and a yearly cost close above $5.31 in 2029. Nexo value expectation 2030. By 2030, Nexo will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $5.67 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $6.02, averaging out at $5.81. Nexo value expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future price tags with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme Nexo cost in 2031 is projected to be $6.94 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $6.66. And the cost of the Nexo presently doesn't foresee what it will cost tomorrow. How much, however, is subject to the variables that surface during the market's development and improvement stage. These components influence how Nexo will foster from here on out. You could likewise explore the subject as another option.